Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going shopping today. Alright, we are headed into town, a different town. It's probably like an hour away or so, to get a tub. So hopefully they have one. We're going to one of kind of like a place where probably all the returns go. So I'm very excited about this.
I'll turn your music down.
Alright, we're here. It's packed. I want to bring my camera in, but I don't know if I'm confident enough. I unbuckled my seatbelt.
I know, but we're in park.
Oh, I hope they have a bathtub. Who's that boy? Hi. This is chaos. This would be so nice. You got crack filler? Well, he said it's free, so we're just gonna take home this broken bathtub and try to fix her up. Okay, so now we're at Lowe's. The bathtub didn't have a drain. We need a bathtub repair kit to try to fix the crack, and then we need like the thing to connect the drain to the drain. Here we go. So we need a drain. We have this overflow. Then this is the overflow that needs to connect to here. That will run to an edge. All right, here's the tub. Here's the crack. Now we gotta be handymen. Okay, when trying to figure out the plumbing, it is so hard when you're just standing in the store looking at all the plumbing supplies because you don't know, we didn't know how big our drain is here at home to get the right coupling so that everything would fit, but we got a drain and we got this like bathtub drain kit, but I know we're gonna have to make another trip to Lowe's. And then I also got flex glue and this tub and shower repair kit. Okay, so which side is the drain? Your side? Okay. What's it say, Roan? What did the directions say?
Oh.
Be gentle.
Oh.
Someone made their way off the deck for the first time. Roan, did you get off all by yourself? To this side.
Appalachian sunrise makes my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, feel it coming in. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow me. Golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings.
Good job! It's so big, Roan. It's humongo. You can barely see over there. Roan, this is so big. It's gonna be so deep. Wow. Alright, we gotta fix our crack. Alright, we ran into the problem that I thought we would run into, which is this is where our existing drain is, and that's where the edge of the tub is. So like it doesn't fit underneath like it's supposed to.
Touches a last breath, feeling like I'm done. Oh, love is like that Mississippi River. They tell me I'm just pitching for.
Oh, yum, yum, yum. Wow.
We live our life just as free.
Headed back to Lowe's. A fit check. Roan, what do you have on today? Wow. Dad? Here we go. Alright, so we had to stop yesterday because this drain is too close to the wall, so it doesn't fit under the tub. We are about to redo the bathroom in April, so we don't really want to like take up the floor right now and move the drain because it'd be a big project for, we're going to have to move it again in April. So we are just going to put the tub up higher on like 4x4 post little things, like 4 inches up, so that the drain can run underneath of it. And another problem is that since this is a freestanding tub, it doesn't have a spot for a faucet, which we knew going into this. And again, when we renovate, we're just going to put the faucet directly into the wall over here. But it doesn't work for right now because the heater is in the way. So we're also going to makeshift that. So this is the bottom of the tub. This is coming right out of the drain. So we need to make it go lower, because normally like the drain would be right under here, but it's not. So we have to do a little makeshift, make it go down and out the side here. It also has these so we can level it. So we're going to do our best, right, Roan? You got avocado in your eyebrows. So when we renovate the bathroom, the tub is going to go a long ways across here. The toilet is going to turn out facing this way. The door will be right here where the window is. And then this will be closed off and just be a full wall. And a new vanity will be along this edge of the wall. What's it like to do a project with a baby? Okay, she's done for now. It's a little bit ridiculous, but we have it up on a 4x4 so that the pipe could fit under the tub. And we just have to go back to Lowe's and get these that are a little bit longer. And we're just going to set it there for now. And when the heater's on, we'll take it down. And so when we renovate in the future, we'll do it all correctly. But at least for now, we'll be able to take a bath. It's sturdy. It's going to be so nice, Roan. Here's the crack. I patched it, but I still need to go back in with the sandpaper and finish that. So I will do that here shortly. Hey, come over here.